2 weeks now, and we've noticed it because it appears to be some sort of clam in some sort of soup. Now, every time I've wanted it to be savoury, it's been sweet, and I'm really hoping that this is not sweet. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, that is pungent. Oh, that is definitely going to be savoury. That is a fishy, salty, musty odour coming from that can. This one's not very nice. It's like a vegetable soup, but it's had seafood floating in it for like a while. It's not even a chowder, it's kind of runny. I kind of wish it was a bit more chowdery. It's so hot and so salty and so gross. Okay, I can't find any chunks, and I'm just gonna have to stop there because I think it just might be clam flavoured.